ladies and gentlemen. I'm Hiral Dadia. Let me welcome in Ria Singh, technical analyst currencies from Nirmal Bang. Ria, I mean, a huge volatile move that we've been witnessing over the last couple of trading sessions. If you see the rupee, it ended higher at almost around 75.1 per the dollar. And this is the third consecutive day of gains that we've seen for the Indian rupee. What is the sense that you're picking up on this front? Do you think that this recovery that we are seeing is something that could last?
Yes. See, if you look at the rupee, it did tick lower or gained against the dollar. And if you look at the parameters, it is mainly driven by the easing of lockdowns that is happening in some parts and on the new hopes for COVID-19 treatments. Also, the risk sentiment improved over the weekend after Gilead Science experimental coronavirus drug remdesivir showed positive result, in the early trials, which has been looking promising to reduce the recovery time and most probably will be available for the US in the early next week. So this is a very positive news that is coming in and will definitely improve the risk sentiment of the investors there. Also, the companies is working towards collaboration with the other countries to make the drug available. And by taking into consideration the Fed meet, the Fed move has also played in the diversions of the funds from the safe haven, which we were expecting it to do so. So hence the risk sentiment that was improved over the week. We did see rupee gain against the dollar and the diversion of funds from the dollar. From the dollar safe haven. But will the recovery continue after? If you look at the trend that is going on in the rupee, it has been one side when it's come to the depreciation. So some recovery was expected. Also, there has been a positive, pullback in the domestic market. Some lockdown easing that is happening in the domestic level as well. But will the recovery continue? Will be a question because apart from all these positive news coming in, there has also been a development on the US-China trade deal. If you look at the weekend development, US President Donald Trump has claimed that he has seen evidence that the COVID-19 was started in the Wuhan Institute of Virology. So, according to his statement, when asked whether he will cancel the part of the US debt obligation to China, but he replied that he would rather add on the new tariff. So there is a risk pertaining that there can be an escalation in the US trade China deal with the if the country imposes or goes with the new tariffs against China. So there will be again the rise of the background risk, and if the action is taken, we can see dollar strengthening again. And if you look at the dollar index, it has already started to move up. So according to this, there can be some bounce in the rupee today from the recovery that we are seeing from the last three sessions. There can be a bounce back in today's session in the rupee.
Right. So, on the dollar front as well, Ria, very quickly, you've seen that on Thursday's session, it nursed losses. And this was after the US Federal Reserve actually left the door open to more monetary easing. So, with what's come out for the Fed meeting as well, is that something which is pointing to the dollar weakness? And then, in turn, where do you see the dollar index moving?
Yes, so whenever there is more liquidity that is infused by the central government, the currency of the country automatically weakens. So obviously there has not been a cut much, but the Fed has kept the doors open for the liquidity in order to support the recovery of the economy. So according to that and the development on the US-China trade, if it escalates, I think we can see dollar index again testing 99 15, 99.85 soon,
Okay.
because
And
it has
what?
already reversed from the levels that the last week there was there. It was trading around below 99, and now it has gained 99.29 over the US China trade deal risk assessment. So I think dollar index will gain in the coming week.
Okay. And overall as well, what are the strategies you would want to recommend?
The strategy that one can go for today is, the rupee is likely to hold the 75 levels, because in the last trading session also, it didn't give the breakdown to the same. So as long as it is holding the 75 level as a strong support, a small bounce back can be expected, and one can go by with the support of 75 for the target of 75.50, 75.65. Also, I'm expecting that there can be a green shoot in the pound INR in the today's session. So we can go for a buy in the pair on the expectation of the positive open for the target of 94.50, 94.85.
Right. All right, Ria. Pleasure speaking to you. And thank you for sharing that update as well. So that was Ria Singh, currencies technical analyst from Nirmal Bang. Thank you, everyone.